Before we begin, let me tell you that these are not my recent purchases. Jeans, of course, and all these sweatshirts. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a Myntra haul. Before we begin, let me tell you, majority of it is not my recent purchase, but I got these things in really good deals. So I just wanted to tell you guys that if you are interested buying something from this lot, then all the links will be in description box, so don't forget to check that out, and all the details about products will be here on screen, so keep on watching. This is the crop tee, and the material is so soft, like perfect for summers. This is really soft. The fabric is kind of see-through, like you have to wear a spaghetti or something inside, and yeah, other than that it is perfect. Like, this is how it looks with round neck. What is it? So next one is this crop tee. This is so pretty, like the colors are amazing. Again, this is so soft, comfortable. The material is quite thick, like the fabric is quite thick, it's not thin. And this is the size and brand name. So this is my next purchase. You can try this one as well. So next one is this pair of t-shirt. This is dark blue plain, and this is the printed one in green color, white and green. So again with round neck. This was a set, like, yeah, this is size S, and this is the name. So yeah, it is also again comfortable, soft cotton. So these two are also really good, and size is really nice, like it's not crop, it is proper in length. So this is the next one. It's a plain t-shirt, like of course ये भी एक सेट था, बट जो ग्रे वाला है वो मैं नहीं दिखा सकती, वो मैंने पहन लिया है उसको घर में काफ़ी बार, और उसका मटेरियल बहुत ही ज़्यादा, हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा, जिस तरह का इसका मटेरियल था, है मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा थिन नहीं था, बट स्टिफ नहीं था, तो वो मैंने घर में निकाल ली है। और ये दोनों एक सेट में थी, बट ये वाली अच्छी है, मतलब इसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है, बट वो जो ग्रे वाली थी उसकी इट वाज रियली बैड. सो या इट वाज इन अ सेट, बट अगेन difference was there. Next one is this jeans. So the color is pretty good, like light blue denim. So color is really nice, and the material is soft, comfortable, and this was mentioned that it is like mid-waist, but it is high-waisted for me, so I love that thing. And yeah, I have to alter my all jeans which I got, like I have to crop them from the bottom, and sometimes I have to manage this waist as well, because 24 size कहाँ मिलता है यार, बता दो. So yeah, this is the another thing which I have in my haul. The next one is this crop tee. ठंड है यार, मैं ये नहीं उतारी. ये crop tee, I will mention the video and photo and everything here. So this is again of really nice length. Material is soft, design is amazing, color is pretty. So I will provide all the links in the description box, but of course I can't guarantee you that all these things are in stock, but you have to wishlist it and see if they are back in stock, then you can grab them. The next one is again a jeans, and I am wearing it, and I love this jeans, like this is so comfortable. It is more comfortable than the last one. This is really comfortable, soft. The fitting, oh my god, is just to die for. And yeah, I ordered it as a high-waisted jeans. And this jeans, if I recommend a cloth from this lot, then it is this jeans. This is amazing. You have to try this. Now we are done with the clothing stuff, and let's just jump into the another things which we have. So first one is this. This is how it looks. This is like pretty good. This is for my mom. We gifted her two bags. Like this is the one, and another one I'll show you in a bit. So yeah, nice, no? This is good. Like you can gift this to your mom. You can keep it for yourself. And next one is again a bag. This is really good. Again, this is for my mom. It has this belt and कुछ भी नहीं हटा है, कहीं लेकर ही नहीं गई होगी मम्मी इसको एक बार. So pretty spacious. Oh my god. Now moving to the recent purchase like a week ago. So the first one is this. क्यों ना मेरा खत्म हो गया था तो मैंने मंगा लिया था. आई शेडो पैलेट बाय मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम द रीलोडेड रेंज. द नेम ऑफ दिस पैलेट इज वेलवेट रोज. सो इतने प्यारे कलर्स हैं इसके, इतने प्यारे. लाइक बेस्ट फॉर द पीपल जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना चाहते हैं और उनको कभी कभी के लिए यू नो आई शेडो पैलेट अगर चाहिए होता है. सो दिस इज़ रियली गुड. यू कैन डेफिनेटली, यू शुड ट्राई दिस वन एज वेल. कलर बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड होते हैं और शिमर भी है, मैट भी है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू एक्चुअली वरी अबाउट दैट थिंग एज वेल. ऑफ कोर्स अगर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है तो आई शेडो पैलेट ज़्यादा लगते हैं, बट लिटरली इफ़ यू आर समवन जो नहीं करता ज़्यादा और बहुत थोड़ा हल्का बहुत, तो ये परफेक्ट है. नाउ द मोमेंट. सो वेट, आई विल शो यू. These are all shimmer like till here. These are shimmer and rest of them are all matte. This is such a beautiful palette. Like literally, to try this one. I'll I'll put a picture here. I have created a look with this palette. So I will put a picture here. I will swatch all the colors from this palette and the reloaded palette as well. But let me talk about the formulation. Then there are few shades like from this Tammy one. There are this yellow and one or two more shades which are a bit chalky or powdery, and you have to build these shades like really you have to build these shades to show on your eyelid. Otherwise these are quite chalky. Like the yellow one, it's not so pigmented. When you put it on your eyelid in one swatch, you can't see the color. So you have to build it up. And other than that, it is amazing. So I got both of these and these three things under rupees like 1500, like 1450 something. 1500. I got these things in 1500, and this is steal deal. You have to check Myntra if you are buying a Makeup Revolution palette or any other product. They give insane, like literally insane deal, insane offer on these palettes. So check Myntra for Makeup Revolution. And yeah, I think I'm done. And Myntra is amazing when it comes to giving offers, and you know, during their sale and everything, you should grab things in sale. They give amazing offers. So yeah, this was it for this video, and stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like and share my video. So now take care, and ठंड बहुत हो रही है, घर में रहो, स्वेटर पहन कर रहो. Now bye bye.